Brown.
This is what?
Oluwayemisi Brown.
Well, you are
Pralad member.
Yeah. So, what's your commitment to this? What do you involve in this? What do you want?
The reason why I'm involved is that I can feel the pain of so many people suffering in the society. The way even the forces they are harassing, people are harassing others. If I went somewhere last week and a policeman came to the way I'm standing and said if somebody came there to come and report a case of 20 naira and 100 naira, and a policeman followed that person down to that place to make an arrest because of 20 naira. I asked the policeman, are you here to mediate or to arrest? He not said, okay, no, I didn't come here to arrest. If somebody like me is not there, they are going to arrest that lady and harass her because of 20 naira. People are suffering there, and even when you get to the prison, you will see so many people there. Most of them, they don't have any issue. But into that prison is what they don't know anything about. That is what is going on there. People are suffering in the prison. The government are not ready to do anything. When we enter into the prison, we see so many people there. There is no drugs. Prisoners are there. HIV patients are there. There is no facilities for them. How do they expect them to cope if they know they cannot take care of the prisoner? It's better to let them go rather than putting them there. And they said prison is for reformation and not for punishment. But what we are seeing there that they are just giving them punishments there, and most of them they are not criminals.
So what do you want government and people to do?
What I want people to do is that they should stop stigmatization. When somebody went to the prison and came back, okay, I'm a prisoner, fine, and I'm out. Instead of society to help that person, they'll be saying that, hey, he's a prisoner, I don't want to have anything to do with them. What do you expect that person to do? The person will be frustrated and he will be forced to go and do another crime, to go back to the prison. People should stop stigmatization, and the government, they should create facilities, and they should tell all the forces, all the criminal justice system, they should be careful, and they should take their time to monitor any case that they bring to them, not that they should just make any judgment without going for further investigation.
Your name again?
Mrs. Oluwayemisi Brown.
Ẹ mi sọ ní Yorùbá kí ẹ fẹ́ kí ìjọba ó ṣe fún àwọn tí nípa ọ̀rọ̀ ọgbẹ̀rún.
Nǹkan tẹ́mi fẹ́ kí ìjọba kó bá wa ṣe òun ni pé àwọn èèyàn Nàìjíríà, àwọn àjọ ìpele mẹ́ta tó ń gbé àwọn èèyàn tí ìjọba fi ń wo òfin, kó bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀, kó máa wò ó dáadáa, kó máa bá wa go through investigation wọn dáadáa kó tó di pé máa rán àwọn èèyàn lọ gbọ́ ẹ̀wọ̀n. Kí ìjọba náà dẹ̀ create necessary facilities fún wọn, kó create àwọn nǹkan táwọn gbọ́ tí wọ́n nídìí lọ́gbọ́ ẹ̀wọ̀n, náà ti pé kọ́kọ́ máa kó wọn ibẹ̀ kó ṣe lé ìdálẹ́nu tọ́kọ̀ lè máa da àwọn èèyàn nù sí ẹni dá a ò. Kó ṣe nǹkan tó tọ́ fún wọn, tó bá lè fún wọn, tó bá lè tọ́jú wọn, kó má kó wọn sọ́gbọ́ ẹ̀wọ̀n.
Olayemi, this is Pralad, Step in the Right Direction, Prison Rehabilitation and Law Abiding Organization.
So what are you into? What's your
We are into prison reformation because we believe that these people, if they are not reformed in prison, they will come out and make the society a living hell. It is not the issue of gun. It is not the issue of violence. You can stop criminality in our society. If we identify 4 categories of people behind bars, we realize that if the government is saying overcrowding, and actually we realize that overcrowding in prison, but if you are not taking care of these 4 categories of people in prison, then we will continue to have overcrowding in prison. We realize that human rights abuse contributes largely into what we have into prison, because there are a lot of people in prison that are not supposed to be there, because you and I can be there anytime, because all of us cannot be the same, because some people say that they have money because they are highly connected, and if issue happen between you and them, they will use the power they have and send people behind bars. And we have other people, the people fail to explore mediation this time around. They don't explore the mediation, any issue until they get to the court, that is litigation, and from there it's going to prison. And the next person is civic education. But that is what another thing we are doing. A lot of people don't know the Constitution. Constitution is written in English, and most of people, gradually people, they don't understand the placement and the requirements in this law. And the last one is poverty. The level of poverty is here now is too much. And at the end of the day, if people are pushed to the wall, they will react. And when we are talking about this, it is not easy to fight whoever that is ready to die. We have three basic things for a human being to live on life. We have shelter, we need to have a clothing, and we have food. A lot of people cannot eat even a day. A day food is not easy for them. At the end of the day, they get to a prison. And this is the problem. If the prison is not doing reformation as it's supposed to do, and eventually when they come back to the society, they will make the society a living hell. Not all issues should be taken to prison, because this is the problem. The problem is that there are some criminals in the prison. They need people to recruit to their criminality. So the classification of prison is not, of inmates in prison is not done. You see a situation where a armed robbery suspect is having a connection or relationship with those who are accused of AFRI. So that is what we are talking about. These people will tell them different ways on how to, and they will connect them. You realize that from prison, they will connect a lot of armed robbery scene outside. So that's what we are fighting for. We want to tell the whole world that the government alone, we are having more than 250 prison formation in Nigeria. Federal government cannot take care of two prisons. Go around the prison and see their state. Here in Ogun State, we don't have the prisons in Ogun State don't have a vehicle to conduct people to the prison. And when we say more than 70% of people in prison are still awaiting trial. What are these people are there now, and they've lost a lot of things in litigation. At the end of the day, you want these people to come out and remain a law-abiding citizen. So that is what we are talking about. That people should be given a second chance. The people, all of us has done one or two, three things that ought to have taken us to prison. So if prison is not the best for now, we want to stop human rights abuse. We want to see how the government and the society, we are using this opportunity to tell the whole world that prison reformation is everybody's business. It is not. Let us not leave it to the federal government alone. The state government, what is the state government doing? What has he said he can claim that he has done to Ogun State prison? What he can, all the state government in all the federal, all other Nigerian nations has contributed in prison. They are saying it is the federal government prison. Is a federal government citizen are in the prison? We have Ogun State people in the prison, and justice delay is justice denied. So if you are not doing this, we are also. It is not the issue of God. It is not people. These people are ready to die. You see what is happening in the north. People are ready to die, and they will continue to bring problems to the society. So we want to see how we can create a peaceful Nigeria.
Okay. We would like you to simply identify areas that you think we can use to reform the prison, because you have actually identified prison reformation as a solution. But we want you to now suggest ways that we can use to reform our prisons.
Number one, there are a lot of things that needed to be put in place in the prison that are not presently there. You realize some people are just in the prison. They need to learn a lot of things. They need to have a structure in place where they can train them, enhance in vocational training, and let us stop the influx of people. That is what I'm saying. If you are saying you just allow people to go into prison, any small issue, you take it to the court. I've seen more than enough case study. I can tell you that it is wrong for allowing people to. That is what we call human rights abuse, and that is what Pralag is doing. We want to stop that. We want to stop human rights abuse and poverty. The federal government should stand up with a proper youth empowerment. If these people are idle, they will manipulate them. So what we are saying is they should do more into prison information. They should spend more for especially criminal justice system. There are a lot of things they need to be done in the prison. So reformation of prison is very important. Let them create where vocational is okay, and eventually these people should know how to do it.
One more person. That woman.
Miss Brown. So your name is
My name is Mrs. Oluwayemi C. Brown.
We can see you outside today.
We are here on a rally to tell people to stop stigmatization over prisoners. We are telling them that prison reformation is everybody's business. most of them in the prison, most of them, they are not criminals. They are just victims of circumstances. That people should please, whenever they see any prisoner, they should stop stigmatization. They should accept them. And we are here to tell the government to help the prisoners. They should create facilities for them. Not that prisoners, they will convict them and they will not give them necessary provision.
Okay, so in what areas do you think government can actually come in to assist prisoners in terms of reformation?
Yes, after care, most of them, they have families, they have children. They should make provision for they should empower their wives. They should make provision for them and their children. Then they should create the legal system, the justice, the criminal justice system. Should be fast. They should take care of them. They should create every necessary thing for them. Not that they will just condemn them, they will put them in the prison without taking care of their family.